All you wanted to do was some laundry, but your dryer vents have been building up for years. The lint has been building up, and buildup is bad. And then, your house explodes. And now you're homeless. And you don't want that. Introducing the Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit by Winston's. Our kit comes with a flexible round brush design that's sure to fit into any dryer vent. It also includes gloves, extension rods, and sealing tape. The rods are super easy to screw on together to form a longer rod for your suited distance. We also include a drill bit, making it easy to attach to a drill. This way you can do your vent cleaning just at home by yourself. So what are you waiting for? Order now.